Welcome to the channel. This is video number 30. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate your support. And if you are new to the channel, on this platform I share with you opportunities where you can apply and work remotely. So please do take a moment and subscribe to the channel. And should you find this information valuable, please leave a like down below. And if you know somebody who is currently in the market for a job and they are struggling to get employed, please do share this video, or you can share the channel's name with them. Well, without much waste of your time, today's video is going to be a little bit special because obviously this is video number 30. So the company that we are looking at today is called Elastic. So I will read through a summary of what this company is all about. We are the leading platform for search-powered solutions, and we help everyone, organizations, their employees, and their customers. They help them find what they need fast while keeping applications running smoothly and protecting against cyber threats, right? When you tap into the power of Elastic Enterprise Search, observability, and security solutions, you are in a good company with brands like Uber, Slack, Microsoft, and thousands of others who rely on us to accelerate results much faster. What you want to do next is obviously you would come here where it's written company, and then you will click on careers to see what opportunities are there, right? And then this will populate, and then what you need to do is you will click on view open roles, right? And then once you have done that, so all the jobs that they are looking to fill, they will be highlighted on this section of the page, right? As you can see, on the left side we've got jobs by teams, openings by team, right? So you've got your CSG, your engineering, field operations, finance and IT operations, human resources, legal, and marketing. And then by countries, so if you want to search by countries, you can do as such as well. Yeah, you've got different countries which are listed there. And obviously, as you can see, guys, South Africa is also there, United States, Mexico, Spain, and the like, so India. So pretty much all these jobs, they are spread all over, which is a good thing because there are opportunities available worldwide. So as an example, what we are going to do is, for instance, if you click on marketing, right, and then it will show you the jobs that are in marketing. So as you can see, there is product marketing and then regional marketing. And then if we choose maybe for instance regional marketing associate, right, and then this will pull through. So here they've written a brief summary as well of this role, right? So I am not going to read each and every paragraph for this, but what I want to focus on, because remember on this platform we mainly focus on remote jobs, so what I want to focus on is this last statement on this on the first paragraph, which is so this is here where it's written. I'll highlight it for you. So this is a remote position and can be located anywhere in the Western United States. So just as an example, because we picked this opportunity, they are looking to fill this particular role, and as you can see, it's a remote position. So if you are from that area, you can go ahead and apply. And then what you will be doing, so those are your duties. Read through them and understand what is required of you, and then minimum requirements that they want you to have for you to be considered. So first thing, bachelor's degree in marketing or communication or hospitality or any related field, and then you need a minimum of 2 to 5 years experience in field marketing, which is what maybe a lot of people usually have, especially if you are in the marketing side of things. So First thing, it is remote. Then you need a marketing qualification, as if we are referring to this example. And then the minimum requirements, they pretty much very low, 2 to 5 years, guys. So this is a good opportunity. And then the other thing that I want to mention to you, as you can see, additional information, right? So you come here and you read through everything. Here is the important thing that I want to highlight to you, right? So we match donations of 1 up to 1, meaning that double your charitable giving, right? So they match donations of 1 up to 1. So if you know what that means, right? So if you are into giving and all that, they will match whatever donation up to 1.5, and then this is also equivalent to your local currency. And then up to 40 hours each year to use towards volunteer projects you love. So if you've got any volunteer projects that you love, they give you up to 40 hours for you to dedicate time to that. And then embracing parenthood with a minimum of 16 weeks of parental leave. So guys, the key word there is minimum of 16 weeks, which is quite awesome. So 16 weeks, that's like what, 4 months. So that's quite good. So guys, as you can see, this is a very good company for you to be working for. So having gone through the requirements and all that, the next thing that you want to do is obviously you would click on apply for you to actually start the application process, right? So what you will then do is obviously you will complete those details: your first name, last name, email, phone number, resume, your cover letter, and all that. And then complete everything. Whatever that you do not know, please do consult Google. Dr. Google has got all the answers for you. So complete everything, and then once you are done, you can submit and you wait for feedback. Well guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Just before I let you go, this other day I created another similar opportunity where you can go and apply to work remotely. The link to that video, I will leave it in the description box below. Otherwise the video, it will pop up just now. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Remember to subscribe.